सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्द मार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Please write carefully. I want everybody's handwriting to be nice, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Palash, what have you written? Write properly. Hari, if you write like this, who will read it? Write properly. Wow, Harsh. Very nice. Look here, please. How beautifully he has written it. He too studies in the same class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I want everybody's handwriting to be like this. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Continue writing. Keep it up, Harsh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Today I will beat you anyhow.
Let's see. Come on, fast. Yes, I won.
It is very difficult when Harsh is playing. You get it?
Harsh, tell me how come you move your wrist so fast?
He has magic in his hands and no one can defeat him.
One day surely I will beat him.
You played so well, Harsh.
Look, when the cock comes to you, you should always hit like this.
Sahil, you always sit near the window seat. Today I want to sit there.
I came first, so I will sit.
Hey, I told you na that I want to sit here. Get up now.
No, I will not. Tell me, what will you do?
You won't get up.
Hey, Ritesh, Sahil, why are you guys fighting?
No, I will not.
Don't fight. Sahil, Ritesh, don't fight. Stop.
I won't leave
You're
him.
fighting in the bus. Stop. Come back. Come back. Stop. Come back.
Leave me.
him. What are you doing? Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him.
The incident that happened with Harsh had paralyzed his right hand. In life, no one knows what would happen next to us. Problems and sufferings don't inform us before coming. But the important thing is that how we face these challenges in life. Few people cannot accept the reality and they feel that they have lost in life, just like how Harsh is feeling right now.
How long will you be like this, Harsh? Okay, Harsh, look at me, please. Life doesn't wait for anything, beta. Rather, we must walk with it even when we fall down. And beta, we must forget everything and start a new beginning. Now, leave aside these things. Tell me, what will you have for dinner tonight, beta? I'll cook your favorite food.
Look here, please. How beautifully he has written it. He too studies in this class, right? I want everybody's handwriting to be like this, all right? Continue writing. Keep it up, Harsh. He has magic in his hands and no one can defeat him.
It's too much now, Harsh. For how long will you sit at home and keep crying like this? From today, you will go to school, that's it. Come get ready.
There is no meaning of going to school now, Mama. We need to write in school, and I can't even write a word with this hand. It is easy to say, Mummy, but difficult to do. The one who undergoes only he understands, and no one does.
Harsh! Harsh! Harsh, please listen to me! Harsh!
Sorry, Mummy. I shouldn't have spoken with you like this, Mummy. But just tell me, what will I do in school? There's no strength in my hand.
Harsh, strength does not lie here. It lies in your heart. And stop self-pitying yourself, Peter. I have got something for you today. Let me show you this. Look at this. Only by accepting the situation we can win over them, Harsh. Accept your situation, not your disability. These pictures would inspire you to move on in your life. And Harsh, regarding writing, you're blessed with another hand. If you try hard, you will also be able to write with it. Trust me. Now come on, let me show you something. Come here, sit. Look at this. He is Major Devendra Pal Singh. During the Kargil War, because of his severe wounds, one of his leg had to be cut off. But he never gave up. And today, his country is one of the successful blade runners. And he has participated in many marathon races. And he has a world record for himself too. Now see this. She is Arunima Sinha. You know what? Some nasty robbers threw her out of a moving train. And to save her life, the doctors had to cut her leg. Harsh, if she wanted and she wished, she could have sat at home and cried on her misery and misfortune. But no, she did not do that. She herself changed her destiny and fulfilled her dreams. And today she stands as the world's one such handicapped woman who successfully scaled the Mount Everest. See this. He is Stephen Hawking. He is known as the greatest and intelligent scientist of the world. Because of some problems, slowly and steadily, his brain and nervous system stopped working completely. But he continued his PhD studies in this condition itself and did amazingly well in cosmology and played a very important role in understanding the black hole and the Big Bang theory. Not only this, Harsh, he also fulfilled his dream of going to the space in this health condition. Look at this.
Sudha Chandran, Ravindra Jain, Girish Sharma, Shekhar Nayak, H. Ramakrishnan, Preeti Srinivasan, Satendra Singh, H. Prabhu, Sai Prasad Vishwanath, Akbar Khan, Javed Abidi, Rajendra Singh Rahe. These are few names who made their disability their strength and left their marks on different fields. These are few examples that give inspiration to those people who tend to give up. They tell us that nothing is impossible in our lives. We cannot allow an incident to shackle our hands and our legs. We must break those shackles and move ahead because there are many moments in life that are awaiting for us.
Should I live this for you? I'm really sorry. It is all because of me.
Hey, it's okay. It was an accident, so it happened. No one was at fault. Leave it, I'll pick it up.
Is equal to 19 minus 99 is equal to minus 80. Okay? Harsh, I'm done. Should I write for you?
Ritesh, if you will write, then how will I learn? And I must learn. Hey yaar, don't look at me. Your sympathy will weaken me even more. You just think that I'm your same old friend.
Water.
Yeah.
Oh.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Harsh, I'm really very happy to see that you're trying best to come out of your situation.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, but from next month, your final exam is starting. If you want, we can arrange some writer who can write your question paper.
No, sir. I shall write my own paper.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
Yes?
I have a request.
Tell me.
If you could allow Sahil to come to school, then he would not lose one complete year. Please, sir.
I'm proud of you, Harsh. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Would you come to play today?
I shall come only for half an hour today.
Why?
Need to study. And I need more time now.
Keep it up, Harsh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Listen, Harsh, your handwriting is very good. You have a magical hands.
It is nothing like this. Write fast or the period will be over. Mummy, I have to increase my speed or I won't be able to finish.
Oh, don't worry. We still have 43,200 minutes left.
Mama, you should teach maths to all.
The more number of minutes makes you feel much better, right?
Hmm.
Harsh, don't panic. Write slowly. Principal sir has given you 1 more hour.
No, ma'am. It is okay if I get low marks, but for my reason, school should not be partial to other students.
But Harsh, your situation is very different, dear.
If the situation is different, then I must accept it, fight it, and then need to win it. Ma'am, done.
You know, it is always wise to accept our situation. But when we overcome that situation, then we call it a success. Nowadays, many people do not accept their shortcomings. For example, if any child fails in the exam, then he will either go into depression or he contemplates suicide. Believe me, if we accept our weaknesses, we will get our mental satisfaction because then the burden of trouble will be gone. If we accept that we have these shortcomings, from that day we will not try to hide it but will try to overcome it. Just like this, we must accept all the problems and adversities of our lives and then try to find a solution for it. Then you'll see, you will win in every situation.